me maame na wo nipa didi bi on kasa wie se de ye dodo abusuafo na koma ne dodo ne saa wo me wo fa wu ye kwa nipa na enye nipa ena pushi wo se bragana no why you adwene se ka beba Ghana me wo fa wu ye no enye nipa na pushi wo se bragana. How much did they pay you? They paid me your common sense. They gave me your father's life. Asia. And then you put the push you say Bragana. Why you ready so beba Ghana? Why you ready so beba Ghana? Ni akofa o se brana ebe ye kuna ni bia wo the afedie. Wo be set confusion. Wo be set confusion. Mama tia me we yankwase a press release na no ka dem mpenwantie sa yankwase a press na wo me ma me pani na antenestina later na mo try say family of Fosu communication o mo na wan ama nkrofo atro bofo boni we yankwase a press release na no ka dem me man audience ya na mbosi be cheche lumba nyumu ye be cheche lumba nyumu mo hu die koso nipa wu ye kata na china mugu nani mase 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 mugu nani mase gu abusu nani mase me wofa kofi busu o di yawo na de bia wo gumsa wo gugu mutiri so o pomudua o frame wofa lumba samai wo yase wo me fa mu ba konko me ka kire mo ne papa ni di yawo because I never papa never fra wo se be yekuna en kan se mo nyina ma ye katasina mu yipie ye katasina mu yipie ye di sie na mu yipie abeta man kofo di papa we atem left and right say why den di papa we atem say why den ebusu apani wona kola we twem 70 years di na tem say why den some anta kosia osuma se fansa ko unya grace na what US hana o she wachi ma wugu ku nani mase no unya no nto aware so grace no nya second wife ene India ni aware no toso yankoto obi aware so anko no to aware so onu na etufu na wutie onu na etufu. I have not married before kwasi ameni mi kunu nete mente sa wo maame ye di ni free no me ni mi kunu enete nyansasem mentna se fa me nsa nhye me dem refam ama me kun ni wo ba fofo ntna 17 years in the name of me tete nkola Jimmy me ka no kura kyerɛw mentna se fa me nsa nhye me dem refam ama me kun ko ba bia no kro ba fofo nsa sa ne yere Jimmy what quarter you guys will do quarter no akodu mentna se ama mi ku yare a oba fofo ntna se nhwe ne tetene to bini en dare no abra mi nim se mi kunu ho ye ne de menye Jimmy Jimmy me yo ba ware fo ntima ware ho hia me ntima ba ware no ban me bo aboso e de Jimmy kunu sa ne yo ba ware fo ye me yo ba ware fo ma wade no hu hia me ntino me po aboso na me dia Jimmy kunu me mo ba fofo e me Jimmy kunu ma me fa me san hye me dem ne fam for over 50 years na me dwan na busuafo ho aware no na wo mpe bra Lumba wo mune kwate ho akonta ma o yare no wo tete kura mfa ho wunye busuani emfa ho Lumba wo 70 kura mfa ho wunye busuani. He is rich. He has the right to marry any woman he like, and that's why he did it. You can't tell him how to live his life. You cannot tell him how to live his life. And watching now. He did what makes him happy. To hell with the fuck what the fuck you fucking think. You don't think. To hell with you. He did what makes him happy. Get the fuck. What's now my ukunu about for the there was no marriage, madam. There was no marriage. Bebo me Afia Dua. Sir, since 2019, who performing any marital duty? 2018 for that matter. Emma Lumba. There was no marriage. Now why are watching it say? Acquire me of a door fast routine. Who were good anyone say about 1 minute woman. Oh, dear, footwear free now for 4. Oh, dear, if you can I be your husband's second wife, go and tell him why you telling me. Go and tell him. If you can marry a man with me, good. If you can be my good, because let me have broken. That's what it is. Go and tell him you want to be his wife, and come and be my rival. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. I'm not stopping my husband from cheating. I'm just waiting for him and that woman. Say I'm never court for bigamy. No matter what that is what I'm saying. What Jimmy Kwasiafona, Munsuya answer. It is you to protect your marriage. It is for you to protect your marriage, and there will be a responsibility. It will pain me that my husband is sleeping with you. He knows it. Mama, bra, Mindy Krohu now, no, my baby, I am. Mimi Jawari next year. That's how simple life is for me. Do you understand? That's how simple life is for me. Me Jawari by next year, 2 years, meanwhile. That's how simple life is for me. Oba, what sorry? And a mobian sassing casse, and a na or teho, and a na or shankola, and Lumba send this cup of my drabin for you. No for Lumba. Musumi be an a man of money call. None of us was a Frigana, and the Comassa wa, someone van shankolano. Me, I said, we're coming back. But somewhere you might some of my wanting so for and put me off a room by no one say. I'm not looking like some or your riffraff. I will put this letter out there. Me, I will put it out. I will. The reason why Lumba gave it to me and soon I will put it out. Mommy fan send us a video. I'll put it out. Yeah, Katamo Sonamupi. Yeah, Katamo Sonamupi. Yeah, Katamo Sonamu, and no shed and Namupi. Yeah, Katasa, so nobody, yeah, coming now about saying. Nothing, Sabusia Penino, or Yedi Paponino, so Yedi Papa Pao. Yeah, to whatever. Yeah, the Musiana Mupi, the Musiana Mupi. Me, of a coffee soon. Now it's raining, basa. Me patch document here, me dear mommy, fire video, mammy, water. Fire video, mammy. Yeah, Katamosuna Mupie. I was a penny coffee usuno. On a Pentecost no call in Israel. And ya maybe what a crack a year can say. Oh no, Pentecost no call in into what the Pentecost is some. Every rebus penny minimum. No, I know elder. I am a crack, I won't say you, I say. And I'm not quite one with them, dear, me papa, me papa, you know, then some by me papa. But still, I in a good. Attempt to bring drink is a divorce. And just yourself, well, have you been a wife to my uncle? Have you been a wife to my uncle for the past 8-9 years? Have you performed any wifely duty? One man born 10 so 4 and then 2 and some and go asu and a woo anyone say. And few one with alone. Why not go alone? Yes, I could offer not to another hotel now. Ah, Lumba here scar on phone and friend and adult. Lumba here scar one friend despite more. Or better will buy what you chili. Sacco Bobo Sabrani. We are now grudge and a margin, Momo. We are now grown. When you might therefore, could offer no more. When you might therefore, Lumba anymore. When you might therefore, Lumba phone and throw a tomb for. Good anymore, Lumba has disgraced himself, Dada. Me pacho Lumba wongu when you must say, oh, Papa Quasiano. Oh, Papa Quasiano. Oh, Papa Quasiano went in the for one goes with any influence manena. Oh, Papa Quasiano. Or any Lumba when you must say, oh, Papa Quasiano. Madam, want to make a woman make an attempt to divorce her husband? Go and answer, don't ask me. All I'm saying is there was a divorce. There was a drink returning to the family. So far as we, the family, we are concerned, Akosua Serwaa is not Lumba's wife. So far as we, the family, we are concerned, Akosua Serwaa ne Lumba ko gina court na abusua pani ni nyina ho. So far as we the family we are concerned, Akosua Serwaa has returned the drink. And I'm the video no, and if a video no can come. Mrs. Manko, who's having old Vodafone letter here? Mendana dream. Kabaya me ya papa. Kabaya me ya. Kabaya me ya. And son and ye. And son of the buy and ye. Or the man in your boy te, not if we not committee no so. On I, on also Pentecost elder. And son now what they buy and ye. Currently, I was your penny fee and son of that. And son and ye, you did a good sono. Nidi ene gusono nidi ene gusono nidi ene guso enti abusua pani na mudidi na tem no nya mesuro na woni mu ene ni tim ene wasempa ni tim na wasempa ene oye na adwene se ene hwe na kasante amamere mu po no woni obi wa asem a sansem no mu nsiesie ya owu aye nkwana yi ase Obetna see me na watch that kama. Ye no be nyina ya throw your support behind you. Ejeje wo so ye penny. Udi ti mu dey ensembolo. Hello, my husband is here. Baby, I love you. I've seen you. I just want you to know that I've seen you. And I love you. I love you, say. And you are the best. And you are the best. Annie. Eh, dear son. Bema, what the class I could, wouldn't savage and also so. Well, good animals. Who good animals style be our pay. Style be our pay, who good animals. Eh, dear son. Go on, go animals, tell the bush of food in Afra. Bema. Ya menyana dina etwa sara endafo ade Lumba ba kwa woni penya aso mudi atem na mo ka di enyim na mo twantra ena ebusia panyi na okodi ska we ebusia panyi na okodi ska we mu ye nyina me di munyayo Jai Jimmy no the moya munya nyina me di munya Jimmy no said ya mopa monsaka Akosua Serwaa no den sambre busuafo no ba bi obekwa kogina akoye kuna no na aka because ensema make nyina no Lumba lawyers so dey ato abonten Lumba lawyers so dey ato abonten Lumba ne lawyer ne baba jama nyame or legal representative no ma ye aduma for years Omo dia to abonten me wo fewu o jankra clear nipa na yere no ni din do personal period me wo fewu e clear wo wunya letter ni bin kan ko we na kan ko do fo subewu no o jankra clear nipa na yere no wow ya be she wachi ye ne afi wo me nyina ye nsesi fom wo me nyina ye nsesi fom Akosua Serwaa wo me nyina ye nsesi fom wo ma ye nyina nsesi fom because there was no way and come here if your letter will be here. There was no way. The be anywhere say and can the want to meet you and come letter away. Many be who's a letter away. It is in my custody. Da letter away I would buy, you know. No way. I can let away the pin da. But in Guasiana Dawson, at the Diana Dawson, a Dean Bonnet Dawson, most semi of a legacy. More synergy. And at this point in time, I feel like you have a peculiar interest. What should I say? Lumba, Broni, into the Broni between can I say, Mammy, money and sa papa, you didn't say. And somebody, no, I'm going to down. Me what I say? Me what I say? One or two are not young me. I say, Tiwano, Otua ho me sa 10 minutes. Forgive me. Yes, it me over say. Tiwana, otua ho me 10 minutes. Oh no. No I just go. Oh, we are not sent to have 10 minutes. What you have me that way to go to what was that? When you papa could pay with you, you know, as a woman up, papa. I was a penny the pass again. Or support you was him, you know. Woman up, papa. One was a penny, I have fucking. Said I was a penny the pass, no, can be mount. Said that was opening the part which I was as I was opening inside because I don't probably did that understand papa and they would you know or see if you would see more soon. I'm saying Namin Pesa Sembeba Namin Pesa Casa every pee will me with a wedgie. Namin Pesa Casa be pee will me with a wedgie. That's why I kept this letter. That is why I kept this letter. And this letter, the bomb me just sending on other by it. Na me wo fa na ye ekotro we e de brand but wo dua and I'll put the letter out there. I'm telling you if you get me letter me the better one. I'll put it letter no one kasa work knowledge say and say ye betu ti no what they call one kasa letter no work knowledge wo say and say ye betu ti no what dia koma abusua you acknowledge it in the letter. Sense you be too no what we tiny and son and your come busia. You acknowledge it. You did. Na can fue asante fue. Say obedience be waro. Na sa wo retain and sana. Aware woman tem. Aware woman tem. E me busa me court asem ni court asem. Ya busia no bia ne court. Uncle court. Uncle Court. Who initiated divorce? Now one signing divorce document who initiated divorce ana? Let her name cram and make it 2 hours. A clear English. Will be able to say. Who initiated divorce? Who initiated divorce? For the fact that one signing divorce certificate no, doesn't mean you guys are together. There is always a separation. And when there is separation, each parties can move on. On one could just say, one, I want you to see a mudia. Say for 70 years, on the baby, beyond your love it. Because I was your phone, but Mamudia. For 70 years, no name of anyone. On the baby, beyond you. On the baby, beyond your way. Oh, Mudia. Every time on the name of anyone, I may have a baby, on the baby, beyond your way. Marriage certificate in there, they can shove it up the hill. We are fucking tired as a family. We are tired. We are tired. We are in America. Me, Sankasa kind of meeting Grand Casalata when coming from Mabontin da. Coming from Mabontin da. Second the meeting gra and coming from Mabontin da. And coming from Mabontin. But so why didn't say, Bema winning a giant? Wo na be kunya ni mase won consider ne ma won consider busuafo won consider say wo wuntu be kunya ni mase ama popa ama be di busuafo atam be kan di enim e di atoye so dia masa she abusuafo ni ko fi usuru na suro to be honest abusuafo ni won na suro. No, minimum hano. Because me more than me not to grab any matter for this. Any time in the square, they be the Baba to one thing. You are just revenging and disgracing my uncle for nothing. Only Lumba, a problem. Only Auntie for Steve Munyano, me and a mammy no Munyano. Auntie for Steve, me and a mammy, and a mammy penny on Munyano. Mamma can answer. Mamma can answer. And Aunt, and my patron Auntie for Steve. You were for Stina, ya ketua. And the Stina na penny. Remember me and the Stina. Munyano. Let her know my tron cry and bro won't cry yet. And and crofoni nam sa asante for yente bro for na mo transfer control letter way the bro ana mo yeza mo the bro for bon me ma me understand munyano na bro for nya kura me kra letter no me yama nko bi enhu but me ne eh ade bro for nya kura en ne ma me understand munyano Fosu Family Communications Office. No, why? Fosu Family Communications Office. No, why? I tell you, convert. Lumba Family Communication at Jim. Yeah, such a funny I'm with you. Signed, Family Secretary on behalf of Family Secretary, baby. Bro, for the Adams, me mammy understand. Do my head would need let away. One movie or my or me on the depression. But for money way. Bro, for you, and I cry. We wish to inform you that Charles Kojo Fosu was a German citizen and a German was a phone of them. Oh, Daddy, I didn't me bro for body them in Pona. What was I? What kind of letter now? Liverpool and direct.
Daddy Akosua Serwaa won't mean.
Mondays regard, Mondays regard, Mr. Because that time when the two more archive more, when the baby matter, Mr. Disregard this letter. Pretend as if you've never seen the letter in your life before, Padre. Mammy and Estina. Don't forget him. Me and Mammy. Me and Mammy and Estina. Won't forget him. Won't forget him. Oh no, my friend, and I'll probably say me see the corner. Say me see na boat ready. Hope I will never mention this. And you let and say, into one was a letter ya with you, me a brofu in. I'm just still an answer. See, Anna will be any master. We can't let another miracle. Brofu way now with you. Brofu now with you. Oh my God, I say. I am from we also wish to correct a serious misrepresentation made during interactions with the office of the president. It has come to our attention that Mr. Collins Amangwa introduced Mr. Ebenezer as a brother to the late Fosu. We wish to state categorically, closing message. Now there family response. Yeah, addressing Bibia. Family response. Me mama understand that you will go many massacre. I know you one paragraph no about. If I go draw formal letter now, clarification of marital matters. I don't see one paragraph. Correction of false representation. Closing messages. Jimmy, and to the chat GPT. May I quite sorry? May I quite sorry? May I quite sorry? May I quite sorry? There may person make kind of macam. Say him go see and muntaso. Abusia penny no, you team was and papa. You team I want you papa. The Fosu family treated Akosua Serwaa with all respect according to her. She doesn't deserve it. We accorded it because of your man Mini angomo. We treated her with all respect. Nasa wouldn't sa. Eko ma bema. Uni ni aware. Sa wouldn't sa. Eko ma bema. Uni ni awa. Awari ni muntem. Sa wouldn't sa koma bema. Me support you Odo Broni. Me support you Obia. But dear Moyano. Odo Broni ma obi. Odo Broni ma rose gold bebo ekutiano. Me ka de wo mitiri chire wo mo. Me safa fo kama de chire no. Sanso na de Akosua Serwaa ye ne earth sign. Awale ani muntem. E me gu obi ani wase. Awale ani muntem a e me gu obi ani wase. It is on period. Odo Broni Emma Rose Gold beba kutia me mother me na betina be come adwene kire wo before me ba be come adwene no na ma frɛ Odo Broni abobɔ ma adwene me ni obi a misuro no hu me sa no ebuso no woni me sa me nya correct just say me ni wo number me frɛ wate atea ka kama adwene akire wo if I defend Lumba whilst he's alive and I can't defend him in his death. Not just say me a hypocrite. Say me defending Lumba about say. Now who are let me a kanechi assembly and be a hypocrite. And that's not who I am. Pacho, me your family member, you cannot change who my uncle is, Anna. You can't. Why does it make your family member? Why? And I'm about family member and Muslims who much I don't know. Me, I don't depend on my family for anything. I don't even need them. They know. They need me more than I need them. I don't depend on them for anything. Minye busuenia. And kasem starting yami na no mo frame. So minye busuenia. And kasem si nyame. And I know mo frame. Namakano. Yensna. Membesa betina kan sem bebre. Membesa betina kasa bebre. Enu here. Me say video ya me dia beto abonti ensan e da me wofa abusua panyini fie. Obi o mom tim da toilet asa o mama me nua ba kwara nua mu nua. Na me busua nua ya asama na. Ana Lumba ye be che na japade de bia ma me. Wo mo na eku ajapade ho. Wo mo ena si person be gu obi eni mase because of na japade. Wo mo na bo aboso wo mo yam. Some will go be any mass because of the one billionaire. Me, I don't give a fuck. The truth is, every truth, I mean, for Lumba, I can't say my brother not asino. Me fancy you because ye dear mo good any one see a chat. More good any one say a chat. I start saying, Namin Pesa me can be because Namin Pesa be say me wo yafa. And I'm your way afa. More good than you must see a chair because of no one Japadia. Moka dienim. What is Sabre Busia for? What you go? Our radio. And it's a Busia nibi as a Branabe Kuna who say you need the amount. You do do ya chow boo. You do ya chow boo. Mesa kachemo me nya atumo me nya atwo me ntimi nkuma me wo Lumba bra ote ase na wawu na me jankwa siafo me atoto ayampia ase na yie da beta ensi da over my dead body over my yene mo mama yi nsamanu yene mo ye the evidence upon evidence and ye dey to form Akosua Serwaa me seleta na me post ne no ka se nya wo na ade baaye ka se nsa no enya wo na ade baaye ensa no enya wo ama wo nua bote amfa nsa nkoma wo Lumba February 2018 wa ama wo nua bote amfa nsa ankoma me wo Lumba sa wonya sa ade a she wonya papa na me ka cho no Wenya papa wenya me ashasia me se me na me fe of adwabin fosu. What I wanted was peace, harmony, beautiful send off. Beautiful seno. Baby kwa koji loan ma me wo fa no. Wo ba be kire. Because loan na mo se mo and now you're questionable. There are a whole lot of questionable things. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Me wo fa kojo for so wo dia brawo. Wo dia brawo. Wo dia because aden na chi be say. Aden. Name one reason why dear the chi I say. Name one reason. The chi the lawyers are clear is me kwaleta be my ya. Mama me 1 minute to attend me radio on my phone with. But lawyers home and I wanted to read the letter. I don't know where I've kept it. I really don't know where I've kept it. I free Lumba lawyers. Me they sending me kunzo so no me friend na. Me baba sumo. O den sabre busia fa me ade awie ba be dwan ye ho be didi atam. Okay. Me do nya me din sra me say ene awie busia letter no na me pew. Baba jama mo letter no. Had your fatty signature was saying. Letter na. Already a response, Marcos, just a one on Muliki or Carcatin. You don't know, I need a young film American, and when you have been now, country man, so a lawyer way. Ah, TikTok lawyer. Then that's how when I'm away. Oh, we almost a mess of the woman. Will be quite a letter to Facebook. When you're Brenna, when you're Brenna, why the word to me saying so waiting up a phone of every Ghana? What about Damon? But I'll grow my little. Oh, woman, number and interest I will frame me and get the fuck off my life. Mende woka. And my name Bob in grass, what about Damon? Hey, my block you. I'm in blocking number. I didn't tell her letter me win. Me will let her no letter me am download it. Her lawyer is a member of Ken campaign team. I know near can have a darma. There can say about me tray. Baumia, where you tray. A jaw yammy, Janyamio, Banyamio Congo. Tray. More men sa can let her Madame say. Obi or Casamin go Facebook be and Madame say. Maybe I can't let away, Mamma, we are not maybe because see your tongue, so me from sorry. Dear Council, response to the complaints of Akosua Serwaa Fosu on matters relating to Charles Kojo Fosu. We act as solicitors. I think we tell for now the kind person. We act as solicitors for the Fosu family of Pakoso and Nsuta. The family of the late Charles Kojo Fosu, and on whose instructions we respond to your 2 letters to the family dated 1st September 2025 and 10th September 2025, respectively. 1. Our instructions are that your client, Akosua Serwaa Fosu of Germany, refused to relocate with her husband, with her then husband, Daddy Lumba, to Ghana for medical help when the latter was seriously ill for some 15 years ago, and therefore deserted him in his difficult time of need. Desert means wejano. 2. Your client on the 4th of February 2018 wrote to the late Daddy Lumba expressing her intentions to initiate divorce proceedings against him, raising many unfounded allegations which the late Daddy Lumba denied. In the letter dated 27 February 2018, the then lawyers for the late Daddy Lumba responded to the letter and called the bluff of your client to proceed with her threats to initiate divorce proceedings since he have moved on with his life after her desertion. 3. We wish to state that your client has already presented traditional drinks to the family of the late Daddy Lumba to signify the dissolution of the marriage, which the late Daddy Lumba acknowledged. By the tradition of the accounts generally and the Fosu family in particular, which we have no doubt you are familiar with, the presentation of drinks by a wife to the family of the husband, when accepted, effectively dissolves the marriage between the two. Also, when a person is deceased, the body and the funeral arrangement of the person belongs to the family, and therefore your client has no right to determine how Fosu family buries their dead. Your client's name, if it appears in the funeral brochure at all, will be a favor from the family because of the children she has with him. Number four. This is very important. This is coming from my uncle's lawyers. Number 4. Our client informed us that Priscilla Ofori, aka Odo Broni, is married to the late Daddy Lumba and was the only woman who lived with him through thick and thin, and were blessed with 6 children for over 15 years. They lived together till his final day on earth. Suffice it to say that when your client deserted the late Daddy Lumba, Odo Broni was there for him. It is therefore our clear instructions to state that Odo Broni is a recognized wife of the late Daddy Lumba, and same is recognized by the Fosu family. Number 4, no me kind be. Number 4, no me kind be. Wait, a legal document, and I'm Troy. If we Baba Jamal and associates, and he has always been the lawyer. I mean, my uncle had some lawyers, but for some long time, Baba Jamal is a lawyer. Intibasa Kobium, number 4. Our client informed us that Priscilla Ofori, aka Odo Broni, is married to the late Daddy Lumba and was the only woman who lived with him through thick and thin, and were blessed with 6 children for over 15 years. They lived together till his final day on earth. Suffice it to say that when your client deserted the late Daddy Lumba, Odo Broni was there for him. It is therefore our clear instructions to state that Odo Broni is a recognized wife of the late Daddy Lumba, and same is recognized by the Fosu family, by the Fosu royal family. Number 5. In respect of the properties of the late Daddy Lumba, we wish to state that all properties forms part of his estate, which the family, together with the children of the late Daddy Lumba and their mothers, will work together to ensure fair distribution to all who are entitled to benefit. Until then, let all persons stay away from the properties till it is properly and legally dealt with. We therefore advise your client to work and comply with the decisions of the Fosu royal family to ensure a peaceful and befitting funeral for their late royal. You know, because in some of the name Nenya sama metimi di manu nko aba abeka. Enti na wo sami di nsem ni biya den eto. I recorded my uncle for a reason. Because nsem na no me ka no nenya nsem nipa mienu pe na eka. And he gave me evidences for a reason. Onim sentia wodi niema bi and the send me afia. Mesi letter no today I will make it public. Say one kobo media, say that I will know on a libre number. Na me na ma making up. It also comes with the company letterhead. It also comes with omo mutual letter no. Omo letterhead. Na me shamo. Video na ya ready. I'll make it available on all my TikTok platforms. Say see ya. Na sem na eni nkomo e ma ne ho. Asem na eni nkomo e ma ne ho. Odensa ekoma be ma aware ne jai ensa no so no eda so da ho wo de nsa koma be ma unua boy te unua Pentecost elder boy te a year committee wo da so te so wono na represent o wono na de nsa no hoye let away da ho. If you think nobody had it, I have it. Me ofa kodo for so me sano ono na de sane me ono a said you want to be for phone e frame e fia me wan asase wa ha me wan asase wa ono na de letter no sane me sano. I didn't ask for it. I didn't ask for it. I'm saying it again. And komo bia na me wo for Lumba ni me die no edwum maybe na wo say me recording komo ni bi to because na komo ni won to na mu odu na ya asema me de manu be kan e beka se fia no no wo boa wo di bi aka ho enti na wo say me di bi to for dance here me sa ka biem onyame o hata so ni me dance ni me ne me wo fa edi nkomo na bibi ka chem say start recording no wu a o ka se mo yo bi ani ni and come on me di and mudo and I have a lot of them there. Me no na me ansapen me ya to me wo bebere wo ho ense bebere wo ho let away e be ba bonten ne na mo mu se abusua panyi no nya be so wo ni mu abusua panyi wo dwen kwa chi ya busua ne je se wa ye do wo na wo e na wo yi wo ama ye do ni na ka die se bia no emfa ye ho Diesi bia ne kan fa nipa ho na still nipa kuma but se wangasa akodu ba bia aduru dia se wangasa do ho ba bedu ba bia aduru dia otu wo didi abusu apanyin atem why na be ye we ama why na be ye we ama abusu a wo de nsa akoja aware wo abusu apanyin timi fa phone frɛw o se a me kwa adwuma obi a wo kunya wu a ye ne wo ka eye wasa o kwa adwuma amfa wo ho but still you be awesome and you be awesome one mama we mo hu omachi and e tu fo ante se wa e ma omo mani maguase o enti omo koja wa mo gu so ho ani mase sa na ko omo mani maguase enti omo koja na wo so gu ho ani mase ka bibia me be fa for the friend na ne papa mo eye ne papam get your kuna na de near person ka be ye bi pa ye near person kuna no be ye bi ne anya ya dwene se ye be si entu mafin e wo be dwamu da sa dwene ne ni obi atinu obi ani wan wan adwene se ye be si bi wo fa Lumba ntu mafin e wo be dwamu da but de ekona mporo so and I remember that me permission free obi a won ma ye de me pe o me say let me be to abonten de be sinsi ensa wo de ba ye no clearly ene ensa let to cry me de wonsa ene wo letter ato abonten o china obi tu nkwase afutu a wo be dwene ho amko hwe Lumba no na me fanto so Lumba no onye basa Lumba no onye masem Lumba no onye masem so ye masema wo be 70 billion me the video no me lodi
Oni e manya Afia Schwar wo Germany oni na wa ne eguana engui
I was apeni onyu I na de me de to me didi ya sapon yiratem because Akosua Serwaa wa ma be kan chebusu ani bia so obi gina ware no onkama no ya sapon yire ukunu ya mfa ne nkwa antena enti me didi na tem ai ba wotena se eye hre ha ema ukunu eja wo kofo ba fofora emfa be ye tipaye e me didi abusua panyi na tem na abusua panyi no ni timu wa asempa papa no owa dwene dan timu odwene kwa achi Pentecost elder na no ye no me jitu pass o Pentecost elder odwene kwa achi enti no ka say brane be yakuna ni bi the family we love you we cherish you we showed you nothing than respect Akosua Serwaa me wo fa no se me musa wo say oba wo kunya wu awuru afie ho wo ba kwa wo timi so yi uso ye ka wo ba wo de bena obi ni mi o mi kune wo ba na share space na betina wo ba na aka wa wen suppose Mrs. wo ba na wo ka wa wen ye ka sam kwachi se we me wo fa Lumba wu ye hu die aka no and ye hu die all about her daily life enti ma wunua Grace no omunye yodom. She didn't make Lumba for Jimmy Foko. Teresa no di Lumba kwa broche no so be dey. Teresa no di Lumba kwa broche no. En so no so be dey. Wa bo Lumba nti e ma ne mene hu ne so ho. Wa bo Lumba nti e ma ne mra no mene hu ne so. Ha? Wa bo Lumba da Lumba de omo ano. Efie no mato wo Germany no nkwa na to ye. Wa bo Lumba nti e ma ne mene hu ne so. Enye ye ma me de me ma kwan Emma won didi me wo fa wo atem. Dabi. Oti ase na ne nya wo ne nya. Oti ase na ne nya wo ne nya. Na wo na won timi defend na ho ne de. Me ma wo mo pa me didi na tem. Wa bo Lumba nti ye ma ne wu na nu ho. Won ne na so because wa bo ano. Won ne na so. Won mo pa ne enka de enim. Letter na me ya to abonten no. Ohe ejapade o ma boro so abom. Germany fear no wo bi na team. Enyo no kwa na team. Ah? Ejapade na wo Germany no wo bi na eche. Ah? Wa bo ano no de wo mo ano. Wa bo ano, wa se wa bo Lumba. Na Lumba de wo mo asewa. Enyo wo nya na chi de. Be ma kraman se de wo mati wa mo se me wo fa ye kraman no. Be ma kraman ye be ye nkuna. Be ma wo ye kraman ye be ye nkuna. Be ma ne ko ti da nwiem ye be ye nkuna. Museum floor na me free. Me madam me kata mo obi anu odidi ma me ni do obi ayu mo nkudi me wo fa Lumba no. Na kama de akira wo. Because me nsuro. Me se me mo obi akwan. Eba ni me gu me wo fa Lumba ni ma se. Me mo obi akwan ma ne me ka de anim ento obusua panyin so. Be ma krama yenye nukura. Be ma de court da nwiem yenye nukura. Akosua Serwaa wo court. Se Lumba as at 2018 Wow 17, 2025 for crying men United 11, including with the Emiensa. Yeah, Bama, or ye crama, ye no kuna. Me mo be a quine. Member will be a quine when you be gumi of any massive. Would the bar will be J, over Ginny in our style be Miss me mo be a quine. Enough is enough, would shimming on. I see any more. Me mo be a quine that. Yama yana and a more pushing me. Come and silent away, I'm a pushing in no. Come in posting that. Come the back commander came because phone no quite let away was no. Brahma brands and a phone na son and Yamini. Brahma brepa sana. Mira Kwabna, etimi a soft phone no. I send a message we are bremeno. On Yamini. But the truth needs to be told that the respect on my uncle is fucking too much. And I'm so disappointed in so many of you. I am so disappointed in so many of you. Afia Akosua Serwaa for my gang ni bebo dia. Se wan fansa nkoma kodofo na de wa letter no kra se watro. Se wa return nsa. O return be man sa woni ni nia ware. O de nsa koma be ma woni ni nia ware. O de nsa e koma be ma aware bie ni muntem. The fact that mon sign a marriage certificate, when initiating divorce, our character to say, there was a separation. And when there is a separation, each party can move on. Deal with it. When there is a separation, each party can move on. Deal with it. Because ukwa marriage certificate na no we on. Ukwa marriage certificate na we. Ukra marriage certificate na we. Ukra marriage certificate na we. Pacho me di message wachi do. Abrokwa no ye kwasi ampanyi nti madam pe no. Me de be ma gini for de. Me nti me mfa me twe ema. Enti madam pe no. E na mafa de me krape. And also mu suo mu. The fact that you want to bring my past, it can't hurt me, but Mr. Abrokwa was my wife. Now I have a husband. And you can say, you can't shame the shameless. Abrokwa was my wife. Now I have a husband. Period. And I'm not a lesbian, so I couldn't deal with a wife. That is why I got me a husband. Because Bema won't come, how will you show that you were a wife? Abroka wanted to make me a lesbian. I didn't want it. He was my wife, and I wanted a husband. So God gave me a husband. Yes. And I dumped him. My name say, I'm a genie funu. Because I broke what was here, not yes, no. Me finding a rain, I'm a genie funu. I baby. My may say, I'm a kunifunu. Because what yes, and the soon if I saw mammy. Now me genie funu. I be a baby. That's what it is. You can initiate divorce even without a man. I am not here to sympathize with anybody. That time is over. That time. Mama would July to August. Jimmy and Jimmy. I'm not here to sympathize with anybody. I am here to protect my uncle's legacy. And damn, I will do it. I will do it. Because my main page, Queen Afia Schwar. I have posted the letter there. This is my main page, Van Tremo. This is my main account. What letter did I have? My posted it at all. Nobody. Me, my and scene, I'm a friend and a boy, make it come be a channel for it. Me, mo be a quite many women of any masio, NC. Salape and Masway. My ye be a Canadian, ya. You will not. Now, wo be na wo gu n'anim ase no. Wo gu n'anim ase bi no be yekuna se nipa wan e na ye nukuna no. Be ma na wagya nkwasiafo se oye be ma kraman no. Ono na be ye nukuna no. Be ma na wo gu n'anim ase no. Mo be den the legacy anante. Ensema mo kafadumba hui. Wa man kwafo kwa ye kafadumba hui. Enti o china betinya dia tum se dumba ye ogu. Munya dia mo ye no. Nipa wu bra yanka na chi asembone nipa wu amu chanto ogu ne so me ma wo bia kwan ne fe de wa me mo bia kwan se ni sika be di de menni ama wadi ekuna na we ya no te na we ekuna o te na ye kuna bo pa ye ndi we atani ndi we ma fada atani ndi we ni ataki wo bia eye no wetimi aye me offer kofi wusu. He's over 70 years. Papa Pedri say no wa wuni de wa ye na wasa ko hye nkofo achi no mu di atam. Na grace no, unia grace no. Grace na ni nobody na bonu mu mienu. Na so so de wo pe wolu mba ho a wanya nti no. Opese ogu na nim ase no. Me ekwan ya nam so a me wo fa ni grace ne nkasa nyina. Unia grace oba minim. Me offer number. O ka kire me bo recording na hye. Se wono na ase be pie mu. Me na bo wa ha. Na me bo ha wi Akosua Serwaa grace no kwafo anu ntu na num bi mi go so bo recording it ya say me nya sa part na mabebo ni every time I say na me pete me bibia o they are overdoing it omu gumi wo fa ani mase no omu gumi wo fa ani mase too much wo grace na wo to aware so ware India ni no wo yodom na wo grace me ni wedding komo me of a grabbing for wedding komo no wa catch TikTok for wa bodam ko catch TikTok for say wo to India ni aware so sa Odo Broni to aware so na ene the anti grace wo so wo your second wife wo kunu ware India ni wo to India ni aware so ene de refi wo de refi Jina ho yenkogu obi ani mase because ye ope wanya she kwadwofosu enna na dwi kwa membu nsafre no wan sori a se kwadwofosu wan sori because asama ndo kwan yensi na ntia Akosua Serwaa maybe I will friend me wo falumba and then call German embassy or yari no ti wheelchair mu wo de call German embassy letter wo de call yes won ko sign wo German embassy letter ni mun send na kura me letter na de ko so nko sign wo German embassy Broni ni busa wo fa kwadwo say letter na wo sign wuni ma de cross there bi Broni ni kire mu say wo yire fo say wo nsore biem and to incapacitated letter on you. Then you know a letter no me walk copy to say them wake up no. Wow, ya jije mo so amoma ni je so anya mo de. Ya so so amoma so anya mo de. Ye bia de akata ni guase so mo ma na nya mo de. Mo ma na nya mo de. Sa letter na wo ma me ofa call embassy. Asa won ko sign na what wheelchair mu no. Or wheelchair mu no. Interpreting man on a one sign letter no. Me wa letter no so a. Me wa letter no so. Ewa ha. In God's due time. Letter ni na about. Me wa letter no ha. Na me kashe nya median munam say me the copy so am the lawyers. Yes. Me come matie. Me wa letter no. Letter na woman of a kojo kwatena wheelchair mu ko embassy say nkonko sign no. Me the copy am the lawyers. In God's due time. Mustati you know. Me ya munyayo mu the problems e drama no. Munyayo. Daddy Lumba dum homeless. Me baba cheche mu achira mo no. Wo beti nsu ama papa no. Daddy Lumba dum homeless. Baba cheche mu achira mo. Mo beti nsu. Mo start ya na me beti ya Odo Broni. No mo ja mo de. Na mo de ma me no o pumping from every ma. Ye be wi na mo agimani so say pa. Mo so. Me se wa ma ya de so be gu mi wo fa Lumba ni wa ase no. What you was said here? Maybe more than the bem mouth. What were you watching so big go for Lumba and Wasano? Maybe when you was here, mouth side here because we need your cramming. Meaning your cramming, minimum comma, meaning a deep, I record it at all. And they record here because in some of them make a new door. And spending here that's here. Tim, I record it. Minimum common, you dear, I record it at all because in common new door. Tinami young communion dance here. Timon Koso. Me didn't quit Afia Schwar I may call mass. I can't find you. I'm in a woman who yesterday. Shasri. Oh, bye. I'm sure I'm at it. Oh, call me main page. May the letter not so. And you one. Now, what you wait, they make you letters in Gua. Because I send you a machine. May the Munyayo, MNC and to my feet will be drum. Munyayo. MNC and to my few with them, or for Muntumu 9 Siasemo, Monfrasem, Yankan or them, Mossamon can damn near mechanical dia, and you'll be any whole platform, Jamie. Some Mossamon Yankas no damn. Now would you see me and road dear, or be our mamma high woman, will be in whole platform, Jamie. And to make them, na me so afia de sebuni me tu mire na ma kire sie me tu mire na ma kire sie me tu mire na ma kire sie. Na wo lawyer na wa bon no bakoko ta ko defend emire ni sie na ma kire no wo lawyer na wa TikTok na ma interview na wa ko say wa lawyer ye de no court e ko di bemben na o cheche ni nsemu o TikTok woni ma dey friend prejudice as all lawyer what case ho no wa we door to door e de na TikTok okura wa senka ye wa ho the lawyer ni ye no kwa wa senka ye wa ho but mo ye no obi a de na maka no obi dum bia me Catholic but ekura ya mabe asori e wa ha ye Roman me so so de me sumya me ti ba bi e bo Yesu din bia no but me ho awuram na say de Hail Mary, they are full of grace, blessed are you among women, blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. But me wanjin, me come mass because Roman Catholic penewa mato rosary, nila me sunya me. Ay, nyoba me no. Yeah, Roman for me church msanyum na moto na zede. Yesu Kristo ya, onya me babete, ha me. We have you. Me kotie preaching. And be see my brother bon kotie nya me asem. Na ma je communion na dia ka ne dia. Na we should Roman father na kokura na hwe dia funa. Amana. Adiada, dear my father, I be sinful, amen. Amen. Asibradama. Lazy. Asam Cromo can you open at you? See to mane. See that what ah. Hey, Muncha coming on the uncle. First thing I'm quite sorry though. And I was a good enough to the general problem. I was starting to learn to be able to. Hey, and sorry, Kakasa, Casay. And sorry, Kakasa, a Casay. Now, Father, the food there's a come house for your when you're fast, no, papa. No food, no crack up. No. I mean, in the father, as if and the romance of your cousin, who were best of it. Oh, but now, must why you could. Hey, Mommy, if we have me or Maryland, if you maybe I'm away, could the next available winners may drive about 2 hours. I've been driving 2 hours. Of course, now I'm driving 2 hours. Mean to me, go Kumase. Mean to me, Consol Kumase Sama. Me call Romani Bisa and day. Hey, Mammy, my book go to German, go to Germany, and I go. Would they want her? Roman go to Germany. Go to 30 seconds we are able to go to again. Roman, I'm sorry. Me referee, my main father. Hey, Mama, buy me could I pass for us? So, won't pass for the way. Now, Mira, my name. My name was a penny to line or so my letter. Yes, it will check him. I say, since we may do want to speak. May I like
some of the media here. The dear family, some country be a brown. My brown. What was your penny? Women, was your penny? I ever offer.
me, maybe was a penny offer. Munim say me kun. Now preach you Ghana. No by America, what she has said, and then I'm able to penny. Miku, say no, your software will come a bush up and you will come on buy a money now. Miku, what she has said. Oh, sorry, me cry me by a Miko woman. Oh, sorry. We're done it. Anna, many of Gaza, many young Sapani Gaza. Anna, or say, there was a penny say, Afia Schwar, send me back calling Saddam for Paluno. I want to be control line. There was a penny say, oh, Empire, and I'm so fine. Miku. Why she has a flat? Why she has a super? Why she has to send her to get you? Why? Me quite sorry. I don't know what friend I will be complaining. No, when him say, they never had quarters. I don't go back complaining. No, me come on that phone. Me my message on that phone frats. Me come. What that from any flat? What that from frat? What she has? What we has? What that from flat? Minimum pop. Minimum that. Says me come or you don't broadcast. Yes, say evangelist and as I'm going to man and be let me go you. What done no na mumpu mechi mo sorry na Yesu ba. Hey, we have any me kobi. Yes, me ko wada no ba. Osoro ni mu fie. Mo hyehyɛ madam die osoro. Afi de brave be do America. Wo hyehyɛ na dem die nyina wɔ America. Me wo fa sa America. Asama me joso. Ukunu de me ba no na me say last time cry me hu no. Empire wo bebo ha. Owie na me yere wo fufuo ma na me say Mira. Say na wo preaching and I'm go for fie e dey di fufuo. Wo de and go for the counseling fee no. Wo preaching we no waji fufuo. Mama bye. I said me cool. I call down broadcast we are no they are going fufu. Say the messer no. Me don't start say. Me my friend say when I come home. Have a blessed day, what me fena me. Watch na me ba mun kai me dada boache. Me preaching na preaching we are the koji fufu. Say no your software. I love you all.